Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be telling you guys how you can change the font in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So fonts in any of the smart device are an extremely important feature, and if you can change the font in a smartwatch, that will be a great addition to the features which are already there in this watch. So we have seen the Amazfit watches doesn't come with any of the font feature. It has only a default font which you have to use, or you don't have the customization options to change the font in the Amazfit watches. But in Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 you have a lot more customization options, and you can obviously change the font in this device also. So we will see what are the fonts are there in this watch, and how we can change the fonts, and how it looks on this watch, and how are the customization features in this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is a great watch, and to use it you have to download the Galaxy Wearable app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So the thing is, in the Galaxy Wearable app we do not have the option to change the font as I have checked, but definitely we have the option to change the font in the watch itself. So to change the font you have to come to the settings of the watch, and in the settings, if you just scroll down, you will get the option of display. In the display, if you just scroll down, there's a secret feature which you can change to change the font, and that is the font feature. So here in the font option you can change a lot of things, like the font style. We will be getting a lot of font styles. So in the font style we are getting something like 5 or 6 options. So there is a Samsung one option. So whenever you will be changing the font, it will take some time, and you will see that the font has been changed on your watch. So if I go to the settings option, you can see the font has been changed, and if we go to the display again, you will see that there are a lot of other fonts also which you can definitely change on this watch. So in the font option we will get these cool little fonts like Cool Jazz and Rosemary. So if we select Cool Jazz, you will see that font style has been changed, and also on the top of that you can change the font size also. So if I make this large, you will see the font will be large. Because this smartwatch comes with a small display, it's sometimes hard to see the fonts in there, but definitely if we change the font size to large, now the big bold font size will be visible to you definitely, and you will be able to use it to your advantage while doing some stuff on this watch. So the font feature is an extremely important feature which you can change as per your choice, and this feature is secretly hidden in the display option. So I wanted to show you guys that this feature is there in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and definitely there are a lot of font styles which you can choose, including the font size, which you can definitely make it to large if you want a large font on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So definitely you can see that if I go to the Play Store also, now the font style is big and the letters are perfectly visible to see, and definitely it will help you to browse and use the watch more effectively. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you guys that this feature is available in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and you can now change the font in this watch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.